The school year is about to end, and as it nearly approaches, we hear different sentiments about the modular distance learning coming from the students, teachers, and even parents. When will this end? This is too difficult for many, but this might be an opportunity to few. If some appeal for face-to-face learning, some others are pleading for the modular distance learning to continue. Many students want face-to-face classes to be realized because they are burdened with the difficulty of self-learning at home. This is parallel to the sentiments of the parents in this mode of learning. They cannot focus on guiding their children in completing their modules because they have equally important matters to attend to, or sometimes parents have limited knowledge on the lessons included in the modules. Many of them are asking, when will this end? When will the face-to-face classes resume? These are the questions Zairey is afraid of. Zairey is a grade 8 student in Pambuhan National High School. He lives under the custody of his grandmother in Barangay 8, Pambuhan, Northern Samar. His parents reside in Don Sixto, Pambuhan, Northern Samar, where they earn for a living. Zairey lives far from his parents, and it was really his choice to study in Pambuhan National High School despite his disability. Yes, Zairey has a difficulty in hearing.
Si Zairey po, nagtikang iton nga kanya pagkabungol. Grade 3 po siya sa Don Sixto. May klase sira. Tapos habang po nagkaklase sira, nagsuol ko na kaya ulo. Masuol, tapos may maliya ko no sa talinga. Nagtakpo nga ni siya sa kay talinga, nagsansiya. Tapos sigila po ang klase nira. Siya man po, tatakpo kay talinga, kay masuol, good ko no masuol. Kulop mo. Tapos, siton nga, kulop, sigan takpo niya sa kanya talinga, kay maliya ko no ura-ura. Sugad niya. Tapos, kauman sa klase, umuli siya sa karabalay. Pag uli niya, kinaturog siya. Tapos, pagkaturog niya, muna ito nga nagkayaw na siya hiranat.
Other children can freely hear anything, but for Zairey, it is difficult and tasking. To communicate, his aunt usually types their message on the phone and Zairey reads it. That is their routine, just for Zairey to nurture his learning and somehow complete his tasks despite having the difficulty in hearing. But as a student, how will he communicate? As a person who have a disability in hearing, he has already mastered lip reading, and it is one way for him to communicate with others. But this pandemic has not been good to him. That is why whenever someone is talking to him, he would always want them to take off their masks.
Kay, pagdiri po niya, pag mas diri siya nakahabol sa bukang sa hiwa, maulaan kanya, nakikitaan nga, parang nababasa niyan bukang sa hiwa. Halimbawa, ma'am, sa pag-istorya, doon niya na nalanat pero mahinay na.
During home visitations, his advisor takes off the mask and in a distance converse with Zairey about his academic status. Zairey is not only a good student, but is also a good grandson. He helps his grandmother in doing their household chores.
Ma'am, mapay po ang module kay diri sa eskwelahan. Diyan aglabo sa balay nag-answer kay diri nakabati. Diyan babulagan ak nira mama tas ate sina sa mga performance tas ngan pag-print sa computer kay naalo ak sa gawas kay maligis access ko der kay diri nakabati. Matiman na po at module ng sumulod ang kabataan sa eskwelahan kay naaluak sa maestra kay dirang nakabati. Pag ako po masugad sa kanila na mag-eskwela bisan ako.
Zairey as a student is very diligent. He doesn't want to miss any requirements in school. He always makes sure that his answer sheets are complete whenever he submits it. My means of communicating to Zairey is through the use of Messenger, through our group chat, or a private message. Also, every week, I always ask for updates from his grandmother regarding Zairey's status in answering his modules. I also conduct home visitation.
Nakikita po sini na bata, sobra po siya porsigido sa pag-eskwela, bisan kun diri siya nakakabati, diri sugad sa iba ng mga bata na madali ang pag-eskwela. Tapos ang pinakamakuri sa kanya na naging saksihan ko god sa pagtungtong po niya sa grade 7 kay umabot po ang time na na-depress siya bisan kun ada sa kanya ang pagpupursige sa pag-eskwela, na-depress siya sa mga bagay, sa mga ginsusugad kanya. Na-depress iton siya na nasugad ang kanya kag-anak ayaw nala. Umabot ang time na di kami maaram. Diri na siya nakaturog. Tubtub san nagkuha siya sa kutsilyo, nagkuan siya, nagsamad siya sa kanya kamot, sa kanya sarili. Mas maupay naman la, mawara na laak, magpapakamatay na laak kuno bago niya. Kay diri manak niya papa-eskwelahon. Bisan kung diyak nakabati, diri man itong sakhadlang bago niya. Kaya naluoy kami sito na sa dito ng kanya ginhimo. Kaya may mangkunta magbulig, mabuligan mangkunta siya. Kasi waray pamilya ko sa kayaon na dirigad kanya magbubulig. Siyempre, makuri man luwat lang amo sitwasyon kaya na kuan na namo siya. Ito nag-aro lang kami bulig para sa kanya na kunta man may makapansin po sini na akon umangkon.
As part of the teacher's aim to cater the needs of the learners, especially those with disability, home visitations and giving interventions are conducted. Teachers also make video lessons for students like Zairey for them to learn better about the lesson. This is supplemental to the modules distributed by the advisors. In everything that is happening, the Department of Education believes that learning must continue. Modular distance learning might be a struggle to many of the students and parents, but for Zairey, it is a big opportunity for him to do his tasks by himself and without his classmates laughing at him because of his disability. With this mode of learning, we do not only spare children from being infected with the virus, but we are also sparing one's life from being ruined and forsaken. It is not the vaccine that can spare us from the virus to go forth in life and be strong in facing the challenges we encounter. And for Zairey, it is not his disability to hear that hinders him to finish his study and succeed in life, but his ability to hear his heart's one clear call is a loud voice of hope to live and succeed.